Hi, I'm Miguel Enyago de Mercadal, and don't forget to subscribe. I am here to show you how to navigate the Mimikatz family website.
How the hell do you pull that off? One down.
Here's how you navigate this, these pages. Example, like the image here, it will scroll
In front of him.
to catch one wild time. The code here, the flagship code.
Nah, that's just
See what's
sad.
new with the Mimikatz family. Clicking button.
No, my bad. I did nothing.
You can search the site at Google and access it at Facebook first. Click family photos. You can see the button will direct you to the page. If there's no image available,
Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Disrespectful, rude.
it means that I did not take it. You can navigate and look for the pages at this side menu, like this. With the highlights here, the video here, and then
What?
the thing that you know is that
That's just gonna be sad.
people who don't know to navigate the Mimikatz family official website must watch this video. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe.